Hello everybody, this is Jeanette here, and I am super excited to be introducing the Algebra 1 Teachers Members Area to you today. This will be finalized by August 1st so that you are ready to go into your classrooms this fall, ready and equipped with all the tools that you are going to need. So in this area, I am super excited to be sharing with you resources, assessments, forums, trainings, and you are going to get the best of everything here from Algebra 1 Teachers. So what all is included in this membership? Why am I so excited? Well, we have assessments. We also have the organization, things like student learning outcomes, syllabus templates, check boxes to help you stay organized. And then, of course, that curriculum taken from the website in nice PDFs for you to have for all of that turning into administration and so forth. We have performance tasks for you, resources, a members forum to be able to share and talk and find people with your specific situation. And we also have online courses that will be coming out every other month and webinars every month. And so lots of opportunities to learn and grow with this membership. So when I say assessments, what exactly is included in that? You have told me through the surveys and emails that you really are in need of the pre and post tests to show student growth. This is probably a part of most of our evaluations at this point, that you're in need of final exams that are Common Core aligned so that you know you're on the right track, and it's some sort of end of course exam as well. So the final exams that we're providing, one will be for the first half of the course, the second one will be for the second half of the course. You could use those however your school needs, maybe as a midterm, but then also an end of course exam to cover the whole course from beginning to end, so that no matter what your school needs, you've got it ready. We'll also have those 12 unit tests and those weekly assessments. So lots and lots of assessments for you to practice with. Some of these focus are going to be what I would consider for teachers, for you to evaluate how they're doing, how they've mastered. Those weekly assessments are really for students and parents to see where they need to help, grow, learn, and move forward. So we really have two types of assessments here, which is very, very helpful. The organization is something that I get asked about a lot. I get a lot of emails about very specific things. So the number one email I get is the student learning outcomes. So we will have a semester 1 and a semester 2 PDF. And if you guys need it, we could put that all on one for you. We'll also take the curriculum map that's on the website and put that also into a nice PDF form for you so that you can look at it very easily, print that off and have it for you. We are also working on creating vocabulary lists and activities to go with this. I know that reading is a huge emphasis in most schools right now, and that syllabus template just to help you out. I've had a couple of people ask for a sample of mine, so I thought that might be something our community would really appreciate. Performance tasks are so fun to create and fun to do with the kids, but sometimes in the middle of the school year, coming up with those ideas, there's just not enough time to sit down and incorporate that. So we have performance tasks created that we are going to start uploading on Monday. That goes with every unit. We have those standard aligned. Some of them cover one standard. They are more simple, nice beginner place to help kids learn. And then some of them are going to integrate many standards, and those are created using technology for some of them, and then without technology for others. Now, the one I uploaded today, talking about birthday money, was created to be used either with or without technology. And if possible, we give you both options to help you out in your classroom. The most robust place that we have items to upload are the resources. So the resources include the practice, the homework sheets, the in-class activities, your presentations. Those would be either in PowerPoint or notebook, and then also those technology activities. And so this is probably the most robust. Now, if you're going to be one of our first membership, A1T membership people. There's not a whole lot there right now, and I'm recording this on June 22nd, but what you're going to notice is starting the week of 4th of July that we are going to be uploading mass amounts of resources, and this is where they are all going to be coming from. You are also going to find that there's a members-only forum. I find that I get a lot of emails from people not because they need something specific, but because they need to know that when they're teaching kids these new standards that are very difficult, that we did not have to teach before. We did not have to learn when we were in Algebra 1, and the parents certainly did not have to learn in Algebra 1, that they're getting pushback and they're feeling a little overwhelmed. And it would be nice if we could form a community with great strategies for dealing with that in some of these areas. So I thought, let's create that forum area. Let's get some online community, some quick feedback, and some shared resources to help us all to be successful. Now, depending on which level of membership you get, there is online training available. Now, I've had a lot of districts take my trainings before, and they were able to use those as continuing learning credits, depending on what vocabulary your state uses and your district uses. That is not always the case, but I found that a lot of them are able to do that. With each course, I will be providing a syllabus and a PDF that you could print off and take to your HR or your principal, depending on how your district is run, to get that approved ahead of time. But these anytime, anywhere training courses will come out once every other month. We will also have monthly webinars, and those will start in August, because many of you go back to school in August. And then, of course, you'll get that certificate of completion so that you can use that for continuing education hours. So let's take a look at what it will look like once you pay and you join us on the other side within the members-only area. So here we are inside the members area, and this members area is organized not only by the topics we talked about earlier, which was the curriculum, organization, the assessments, the performance task, the resources, but also each and every unit is also represented here so that you can search not only by the type of resource you're looking for, but also what unit it falls underneath. So then once you find the resource you want, you can go ahead and click on that. It will go through what standard it goes to, the description, the student learning outcomes in very friendly language. But also underneath here, you will find any of the downloads that are available. So this equivalent equations is given in a notebook, file. If there's more than one way to give a file, I'm going to do that. So if it can be PDF and Word, I'm going to give you both. If it's notebook and it could easily be converted to a PowerPoint, I'm going to do that as well. This one is an interactive notebook file, so there was only one file type to give there. You are also going to have access to exclusive forums. And so when you look under the members only menu on the right hand side, the second one down is the members only forum. Now this members only forum is a nice way to be able to talk to people in a protected environment where you don't have to worry about parents or students finding it. This is password protected, and only people who are logged in as a member can see these forums. Now, keep in mind that if you do choose to participate in the other forums, that everybody in the world can see them. So only these member-only forums are protected. But I will ask you just to introduce yourself. I just set these up this morning, so you'll see there's only one post, and that's from me. Start here talks about how to change your profile, get started. Some things that I've been asked quite a bit about is preparing for the online tests. And I put a document in there as well, and you can see that by the paper clip there, as well as textbooks. I'm asked constantly about textbooks. So I thought if we could get some people with each textbook, that might really, really be helpful. I'm really hoping that you will choose to join us in this members area. I'm very excited about the resources we've been creating and curating for you, and I just really am looking forward to sharing this experience with you. If you are looking for districts to work together, please go ahead and once you click that learn more, join now button right below this video. Please feel free to click the district discount button, because I do have discounts for the districts. And if you need a PO button, you'll find that as well. So I am very much looking forward to seeing you in the membership area. Have a great day, and don't forget to click the button below.